Welcome to Dark Creation Studios. In this video, we'll be continuing on from our last video on how to draw an apple. For this video, we'll be doing the ink, so let's get into it. Okay, right on the layer here, which part we have the sketch of our apple. We go in and turn down the opacity. Alright, cool. From there, we will create a new layer above. And this will be for inking. But before then, we just go ahead and we will select our ink brush right here, the Baskerville, and if you click on it, it will bring up the brush studio. From here, we will go to the stabilization and we will adjust the amount to around like 45%. And you can see right here we testing it on the drawing pad. And what adjusting the stabilization amount does, it helps you with control. So say when it comes to inking you don't have a steady hand and you tend to shake a lot, this will help with that. So now we could begin inking our apple. And we will start from the left side of the apple, taking our time coming down. And you can see already how we have that control. If we then had the stabilization amount up, you know, your boy right here will already have to undo 100 times just to get the perfect line. Now we could continue our inking down at the bottom, and we'll follow it up on the right hand side, taking our time, and we will connect it back right there. Okay, so continuing on, we will do the inside right here. And on a separate layer, we will go ahead and we will start inking the stem. Taking your time. And on another layer, we will go ahead and ink the leaf. I just want you guys to know you know how to create all these layers I doing separately for the inking. You could just ink it on one layer, but just to be safe, I prefer to do it like this. So say if you need to change something, you could just turn off that particular layer. Okay, so next we'll go ahead and add in the details on the apple. So we'll do that on the other layer. And for this part, we're gonna move through a bit fast, but you can see we just doing the lines here. So just try to follow along with that, and it don't have to be the exact same way we doing it. You guys could do it randomly. Okay, so continuing on with our lines. And just remember guys, when you're doing this, try to do quick motions for the lines. And if you have a hard time doing that, most likely is because the amount too high. We didn't turn down ours, but if you want smoother motion when doing quick lines, you could go ahead and you could turn down the amount to like 30% for the stabilization. Alright, we'll just go ahead and erase the ink overlap by the stem area right here. Alright, we finished. Nice. So seeing that we finished with the ink, bam! There you have it guys, the final illustration. We hope you learned something, we hope you enjoyed, and we hope to see you guys on the next one. Alright, see ya.